You guys ever out with your friends, enjoying yourselves a nice bonfire, enjoying friendship and all that good stuff? Suddenly Jake's iPhone's about to die and Billy doesn't have a charger. And now somebody's got to leave because somebody's not going to be able to get home because of Uber. That's not going to happen anymore because of the BioLite 2 that I just discovered. I just literally discovered this. I thought it was really cool. And I thought that since we're a tech product review channel, I thought it was really cool that you could plug in your iPhone because it charges by the fire. And I thought that's a really cool gimmick to put on the channel. So I wanted to take a look and see if it's really worth the money because I think it's somewhere in the ballpark around $200. So let's take a look at it and let's figure it out. Turn fire into electricity with thermoelectrics. So, cook meals and boil water. That's really cool. That is something else I thought was a little bit of a gimmick because I'd like to be able to cook meat on my hunts when I get back to my campfire and I can cook my rabbit. No, I'm just joking. But I don't know what I'm gonna cook on here, but it is nice to be able to cook something like a can of meat or something. That's cool. So let's take a look at the back now. The fuel is basically anything that you can get to start the fire with, like twigs, sticks, fire pellets. Apparently it gives out a 3 watt per hour charge for your iPhone. Battery 2600 milliamps and boils water in about 4.5 minutes. Great, okay. Smart LED dashboard. Get real-time feedback on your fire and power supply and control 4 fan speeds. Okay, that's cool. Onboard battery. Integrated 2600 milliamp hour battery can charge devices easily with or without a live fire. Okay, that's cool. Okay, there it is, guys. The product itself, it's pretty small. Let's take a look at it. It's quite small, as you can see. It's not that big. Let's take a comparison of an iPhone. So this is the biggest iPhone that they currently offer, and this is the product itself. So let's get it right straight out the box.
A few moments later.
Okay. Okay, since we're an unboxing channel, it's probably a better idea that I use a box knife. Be careful with these. This is my first time. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so this must be the fire starter. My dad jokes are horrible. Okay, USB charger type thingy. We'll figure this out in a second. Okay, so that's the battery pack itself, it looks like. Okay, so that's where you plug in the USB. I'm assuming this is the USB that you're going to use to charge the unit itself. Wait, what? This makes no sense.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I'm back, guys. So it was really complicated for me to figure all this out for some reason. And I wanted to make sure I got it right, and it took quite a bit of time for me to put this together, actually. But I figured out what the USB cord was for. It goes to the battery itself, so you can see how much power is being output by the fire and how much power is being pushed by the fan. You can actually choose how much the fan needs to be pushed higher, depending on probably the fire and the fire that you create. Let's get this baby started. It did come with a little baggie. It looks like it comes with its own little carrying case, so I think it can all fold up and fit into here, so that's really great. It's really small and really compact, which is nice, and the sound that you're hearing is actually the fan. So you have to have it on when you're going to make a fire, and when you get a bigger fire, you're gonna have to make the fan turn up a little higher, but we're gonna get the fire going right now. I got some sticks from the area that I found, and I got a lighter, and I got this fire starter that they included. Thank goodness that they got that. Not exactly sure how to get this thing going, but never really started a fire before like this, so we'll just wing it. We'll use this one as the big piece. And let's see if I can get this caught on fire a little bit. Let's start here. Yeah, perfect. Okay. We just light the fire starter and let the thing do its thing. Yeah, maybe this was not a good idea inside. To be continued. Okay guys, change of scenery. We've had to find a safer location to film the rest of this video because the fire was about to get way too high for my building apartment to be okay with. So my friend was kind enough to allow me to film the rest of this video on her patio in the Hollywood Hills. So let's get to the rest of the video. There we go. Nice. I have made fire. Look at the fire, it's getting so big. Oh wow, it's like starting and stopping at the same time. Okay. So this is at the maximum fan. I'm not really sure why this light isn't turned on right now because oh, there it is. It's finally on. I don't know why that just waited to turn on like that. But yeah, that's a pretty bright light powered by the fire. So the higher you have the fire and the flames, the higher you have to turn the fan on. But I don't think, yeah, this isn't plugged into anything. So it's generating its own power at this point in time, and at this point we should be able to just plug this in, plug our iPhone in with the standard iPhone cord, and it should be able to charge your iPhone. So I'll try right now. This fire looks crazy. It's like spinning in a circle.
Yeah, it's really cool.
And now my iPhone's charged from the fire. No gimmicks. Unplug this cord just to show that we're not doing nothing. This iPhone is being charged right now by the fire. I take it out, it's not charging anymore. Plug it back in, starts charging. It's crazy. So, now that we got the fire going pretty well, I got something cool that I want to show you guys. It's called Magical Fire. Basically, we're gonna turn this fire into rainbow colors. It's gonna be beautiful. You're not gonna see this normal standard orange that we normally see. And we don't gotta do anything. The best way to get it going is just drop an empty pack, a full pack, into the machine and just let it do its thing. Oh crap. Haha, you see this?
Whoa. That's sick.
That's nuts, right? Okay, we're gonna put a second magical bag of fire in. And all this while it's still charging my phone. So if you're out in the wilderness, if you're going camping with your friends, you're gonna be able to charge your iPhone while you're having s'mores. And by the way, we do have s'mores ready to be made. Wow, look at this fire. This is nuts. Look at this. That's wild. When is the last time you saw blue fire? It's supposed to look more like colorful, like greens and like, I think other colors in there and stuff, but this is crazy still. So we got the marshmallow, we got our chocolate, we got our graham cracker. We're about to make a magical s'more. It looks so deformed.
Yeah, what is
Do you
wrong
see
with
this? It doesn't look like a normal marshmallow. It looks
Ew.
I know.
Are you
What the
sure they're
hell?
actually marshmallows? Sick.
There we go. There we go. That's a boy. Get a little chocolate square. Put that in there. Bon appetit. I'm just messing with you guys. This is not the one that I just cooked. Do not cook on these magical flames. They are not safe for you. They are deadly. I was joking around. Do not do it. The one that I cooked, I threw over the side of the balcony. This is a fake. Don't eat it. We don't have time to fully get into it, but I think this does have a grill attachment that I was able to pick up, and it was only like 60 to 70 bucks at the same time when I was picking it up. And at this point, you take this piece off. If I can get it off. Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. And then you got a grill. And now you're cooking all your meats, your fishes you catch on the hunt, and you're having a fun camping trip. if you'd like to see more footage of this in action, I'll link something in the video below so you guys can see more footage if you guys want to see more. But with that being said, I guess that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked, please hit that thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, guys, and make sure you guys leave a comment and let me know what you want to see in the next video. With that being said, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to put this fire out. You guys be safe, and see you in the next one. Peace out.